Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at RDNT. Been a little while since we last covered this. With our previous fib levels, we had a rejection off 0.618 from a larger term time frame. What we want to look at is some smaller fibs here more recently. Kind of see roughly where we're shaping up here for the moment. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. I hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is the site. Link down below for that if you're curious. Got a Trading Academy community and signals group. We took some really nice profits here from Chainlink, Solana, BNB, and ETH from our day trading bot. There's some nice scalps there. And then, of course, we got some profits from Bake, VeChain, and Matic. Those are some trades that I took as a basically as swing trades, effectively, right? So we do it all there, but thanks again so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So here's the thing, folks. When we look at all the liquidation in the big picture here, there's a large concentration well above and well below the price action. So the truth is the price could go either way. This isn't necessarily an incentive for the whales. It just kind of works as a magnet in a lot of ways, right? So we got some liquidation here at about 18 cents even. So we could see one more sweep to the lower end before the price recovers. But this also shows we have a lot more support of this range here because more people are willing to buy at that level. So again, heavy concentrations does imply some key level supports in some cases. And we can see this 0.5 level holding fairly strong for somewhat of a double bottom here. Okay, so this is really cool. Definitely good stuff here. Let's double check a couple of things here on the bigger picture here. So on the daily time frame, to quickly note, let's go ahead and zoom in, see what's going on here. So what I like to look at first when we go ahead and kind of zoom into the daily time frame is the moving averages, right? We want to double check to see where we're at. So the truth is right now, we're very low. We're below all four moving averages. That's not generally a great sign. We want to be at least over the 20-day SMA to have any kind of legs to stand on. Same thing here as well with the RSI. We want to be closer to 50 and or above it to have some strength and confidence in taking a trade. So we're not quite there yet, a little ways away. Daily time frame doesn't look very bullish at all. It's more neutral to bearish. So we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see if there's any shift in momentum here. Because again, this is really what we ultimately want to look at is the 4-hour time frame. It's like a transitionary time frame, my favorite, kind of seeing where we're at. So we can see the MACD is converging, hasn't fully converged, but it's right there, ready to rock and roll. We can see this more recent descending trend running concurrent with the 20-day SMA, breaking above that for the moment. We can also see if we zoom out a little bit here, we got a solid amount of volume at this about 18.8 range. So that tells us that we're right there at this point of control. Breaking above it would be extremely important. So a closure above this 0.382 fib up, just say 19 cents even or higher, would be a solid consideration for a long position. We can also see too, if that were the case, we'd be breaking above the RSI at 50, and of course, money flow index would be trailing behind. All good signs here, okay? So those are fantastic. We take a look at the Ichimoku cloud and the hourly, we can confirm too. Right there, the cloud is kind of averaging itself out at that 0.382 fib level at 18.9, 18.8. So ultimately, seeing some really solid stuff here. Lagging span is almost free and clear on the conversion lines of the baseline. A lot of reasons here as to why this coin should continue to progress. If we do take a look here and compare it with Bitcoin, for example, though, too, you can see that while Bitcoin is pulling back pretty substantially, RDNT has bottomed out. Okay, so again, Bitcoin didn't have a double bottom where RDNT has. Usually a good sign too, right? So I think this double bottom pattern is a pretty solid consideration to show that we've kind of, for the most part, bottomed out and more likely to increase here moving forward. So I think RDNT, it looks like it has tremendous potential. And while the macro isn't phenomenal, the moving averages are so far away, it almost doesn't matter at this point. And if you mostly focus on the 4-hour and the hourly, we have some really good transitionary / bullish behavior. So this coin's looking pretty decent here. Pending Bitcoin doesn't take a nosedive to 60,000 or lower, RDNT should be able to hold this level and continue further higher. Hope you learned something here today. Comment below, please like the video if you could. Help us grow the channel, and deeply appreciate you doing that. If you want to trade with the world's best exchange, check this out. BitUnix, phenomenal exchange, awesome rewards. Use my link to register as well. Check them out, link down below. Fantastic. They are our favorite exchange for our community, and there's no KYC or VPN required, so look no further. Have a good rest of your day, folks. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you soon.